So Biotechnology is a lean company. We've had to be. Right from the beginning, when I started this with $500 out of my son's bedroom, to today, when we've got 10 employees in a building in downtown Simpsonville, South Carolina. We've spent 3 years following our passion of developing the best router possible, and you know what? The Gyro project is that next step. When we took a look at Gyro and how in the world we were going to move to this level of development with this type of hardware, one of the things that we considered was investors. The challenge with investors can be compromise, and that wasn't somewhere we wanted to go. So we're bringing it here to Kickstarter. We're bringing it to the community. We're asking you to get involved with the Gyro project and back us financially. Here's our priorities for using the financial resources that we get through Kickstarter. First and foremost is fulfilling on the rewards. Secondly is bringing some developers in to create that platform, that layer that the community can then build modules on. A big part of this is going to be building that community and using these Kickstarter resources to build that community. And honestly, because you're watching this video right now, in a way, you're already part of it. I want to thank you for your interest. I want to thank you in your support. I look forward to our journey together.